I decided to get into financial services because I love helping people. I'm very passionate about this field. There's so many things that people don't understand about their finances, and they're very busy with their own lives and they don't want to take the time to learn it. No differently than we would take the time to learn about our teeth. We go to a dentist. And if we have a problem with our health, we go to a doctor. So we try to really find out what's important to each individual, because everybody is in a different situation than somebody else.
We started out with a company that had some pretty high risk things, and we really didn't understand it as well. They started to look at what we had our money in and said, "Are you comfortable?" And we said no. And then over time, Shelley just started to move things from some high risk into more conservative risk. We decided that there were certain things we knew we wanted to do while we both had good health and we're the age we are, so Shelley was able to help us look after those things.
I think pretty well that's our long-term goal, is to be comfortable, be able to have the resources there in case anything were to crop up, but she's been attentive to any changes we've made in our estate.
Recently I was widowed, and there were things that had to be looked after as far as my husband's investments, etc., and I really didn't have any idea what this was going to involve. I've never doubted Shelley's direction, because I know that she is always on top of what's happening out there. She is a good friend as well as my financial advisor.
Rather than somebody just going over figures and just looking at you as figures, she looks at you as people as well as the figures, and just makes adjustment to what she knows about you.
Well, even with our grandson, getting us set up with an RESP fund with him, we started later in the game with putting money away, and we felt that she came to meet us right where we were at.
The team at McIntyre Financial are a wonderful working unit together. They have been a wonderful help to make everything flow smoothly and efficiently and very professionally.
Really what it comes down to is, how do people get over their fear of money? It's a lot about relationship building. I think it's important to really educate but simplify. It's not about how much did I make this year and how much did I make next year. It's about walking through the ups and downs together. It's about walking through the peaks and valleys together.